Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Sims FreePlay account. First of all, open up your Sims FreePlay application on your mobile device, and then once you're inside this game section, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. From the menu that appears on the screen, click on Account Manager. Now from the Account Manager section, you have several sign-in options available. You can go ahead and sign in with your EA account, with your Apple ID, or with your Facebook account. Select any one login options. I'm gonna tap in the EA login option, which is the most recommended right now, and then sign into your EA account by entering your credentials or by choosing one of these social options at the top. If you select the email option, you'll need to type in your email address in the text box. After you do that, click on Send Code. You will then receive a verification code sent to you via your email. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and you'll receive an email from EA. Copy the code that you received and get back to the Sims FreePlay game and paste in the code. After you do that, click on Agree and Submit. And there you will be able to log into your Sims FreePlay account using the EA account login options. Now you are all set. Your Sims town is safe, synced, and ready for adventure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.